For the most part, camera equipment can be really expensive. And over the years, there's been a lot of new companies that have been coming out with products, accessories, to create multiple competition to keep things and prices lower. GoPro, for the past couple years, has kept their prices in a very moderate, I would say, bracket. You could get one of their best cameras for under $700. But in this video, we're going to talk about one accessory they sell that's could be questioned. For the most part, in the old days, and we'll just talk there with the Hero 3 Plus, if you wanted to do any kind of microphone or external mic, all you had to do is just plug it into the side there. But the last couple years, GoPro and their engineers have gotten a little creative on us where, you know, something like this, the new Hero, well, it's not new anymore, the Hero 5 Sessions, the 6 and the 7, you kind of need something extra to plug in, say, your lav mic or any kind of external microphone. So what they did is they came up with a new accessory that you need to buy to plug in that mic. Yeah, it doesn't look like much, but it's pretty much a box and then their type USB to go into the side of the camera there. You know, with today's camera equipment, and you know, for the most part, I'll give GoPro credit. They've kept their prices down on their cameras. I mean, their cameras are really amazing, shooting 4K now. One of them shoots, you know, a peripheral 360 degrees. I mean, it's pretty amazing, and that camera is like, I think, $600. But when it comes to an accessory like this, I don't understand why this is $60, and then if you saw my last video, this 6-in-1 Chafon USB 6-in-1 charger. This is only $12, and I'll put the link down below for you to check that out. But this was $12, and this has all the different things you need to charge all your devices. You know, I just don't understand why that is $60 and of this is only $12. So GoPro, I don't know why this is you know, that much money, but this accessory is officially your most outrageous priced accessory. What are your guys' thoughts? Leave your comments below, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. You never know where my adventures are going to go next. Thanks for watching.